Yo, I ain't gonna lie, her voice always catches me in that note. Hey everyone, what's up? So it's a Jamaican friend back again in Greece. So I'll be reacting to the acoustic version of Asteromáta by Klavdia. Alright? So I've seen the live performance, I've seen the music video. Now I want to see the difference between all of those names that I mentioned in this video. So with this being said, let's see what's up. Oh yes, and to everyone who's watching my video, who's showing the love, who's showing the support, I want to say thanks to all the person who are from Greece who is partaking in my reaction. You guys mean a lot and I appreciate you all so much. You guys are really some great people, kind-hearted, loving, caring, supportive. And I do support you all so much. So with all that you guys are showing me, I'll have to show you guys back some more love. So let's see what's up. Peace. Guys, I ain't gonna lie. Every time I came by and I listened to her music, it doesn't matter how much time this particular song plays, it's always something different you're feeling. It's always something more tuned into your feeling. Her voice is top notch. This video is very beautiful, bro. I ain't gonna lie. So the guy next to her, Wheezy, what is his role in this version of the song? So, he's doing it like a real G. So I guess he's a part of her musical journey. Alright, so with that kind of guitar skills, it's perfect. It's very perfect. It's not sounding different from the music video or the live version. She's as the same person in those video representing now. She's amazing, right? She doesn't need auto-tune. She doesn't need any advancement because her voice is already advanced. Her voice is already melodic. Her voice is already something that we all can able to feel good while listening. Her voice is a soul snatcher. She's very good, bro. Very good. A woman with such instrumental within her voice. She's a vocalist. Trust me. I ain't gonna lie. Her voice always catches me in that note. Damn! Damn, bro. Quite remarkable. Quite remarkable. And I can tell that she's on her way to be a winner. Based on what I'm hearing, she's very much a winner. But there's so much more that to be a contestant here. So it's a stiff competition, bro. Very stiff because her voice is angelic. Remarkable. A refinement of beauty. She's amazing, bro. The pianist, the person who is next to her, especially the dog, what a supportive team. Wow, she done it. She done it, bro. She done it very well. So if you guys enjoy my reaction, remember to leave a like, smash a subscribe button, share this to a friend, telling him or her about me, the Jamaican reactor. I'll see you guys in another content. Peace.